Welcome back to Generation X.
I'm Kim.
I'm Edith.
And I'm here with my Ipsy.
She got a good day after me.
We're filming back-to-back videos, so if we're in the same outfit, that is why.
Yeah, we hope to always do a comparison, but like if I get it first, we're like, post it right now.
There. I always have to look.
I know. And
it's like partly unzipped. Is that fair? No. Like, I don't know why you're... But as she showed, cute little bag. Okay.
I want to see what she gets.
It's kind of like partly unzipped. I'm like, they're trying to start opening it for me. And you saw the card... was it yesterday?
And I'm giving Kim my eyeliner I got, just so you guys know.
So the first thing I am pulling out is Skin and... Is it Skin & Co. or Skin & Company? Skin & Co. Roma Truffle Therapy Polishing Micro Exfoliating Truffle Face Gommage. Face Gommage made in Italy.
She likes her exfoliating stuff.
Yeah, I do like to exfoliate though.
She'll use that.
Exfoliate, peel, all that good stuff. Okay. This is
and I don't.
Same thing. Tarte Amazonian Clay 12-hour full coverage foundation.
Give me the eyeliner. You should give me that. Spectrum. I need foundation like badly.
I know. I'm still reading. She showed you yesterday. I was gonna focus on that, but there you go.
Oh,
thank you. That's how we do things.
I missed some, I mixed some really old super goop today with some stuff to like put on my face today, so it looks like crap.
I also got a lip gloss, but yours was like gloss lip. This is Bellin Argent. I almost want to like open it because is it like just a regular gloss?
Yeah, my gloss. If you guys didn't know, because I didn't know, I looked it up. It's like got a blue tint to it to make teeth look whiter, and it has jojoba. Am I saying that right? Oil in it. So I would keep it just for like it being good for the lips, but again, I don't wear a gloss. It would just I'd eat it or something probably. So I am putting that in the giveaway.
Oh, I was like wondering what color. Like I don't know if you guys can
like
see it.
Highlighter.
It's like glittery.
It's really pretty.
I don't know if you guys can see the like glitter in it, but
it's pretty. I just wouldn't use it, but it's pretty. Maybe there's something good in that one too, but
okay.
No time for reading if there is.
Back in the thing. Okay. I think that's for the lips. I don't know. I would think.
What's this gloss? I
know. Like, I don't know. Anyway,
we'll let you guys know if it's not for the lips if we find out.
And then nail polish, right? Nail Medic, rose hip and green tea infused nail polish.
What color?
Yeah. So there's the box. It's like kind of damaged or not closed all the
I know,
way.
you
but
keep
there's
getting
that.
boxes that are like
and then I know
deformed.
Crush it.
Ooh, pretty.
And then it's that color. Kind of a brownish. This is supposed to be like rose gold or something. I don't know. It looks brown to me. Anyway.
It looks like gold to me.
And then I think this is the last thing. Yeah. Is
at least they put it inside something so it won't spill everywhere.
Ella Eden, right? London. Trying to see if it has like
I've
a
never
color.
Heard that brand. I'm like,
I know. I'm just gonna automatically put this in the
brand
giveaway.
Julia? Is that the color?
Oh, I guess Julia is probably the color. I don't know. I'm not even gonna open it because I'll just put it in a.
If it's like an eyeshadow or something,
pretty sure it is. I'm pretty sure it's an eyeshadow.
Why not? Why not the giveaway? More for the giveaway.
Yeah. I don't know. Anyway, but that's what I got.
That was it for this video. These 5 products for around $11. Let us know what you think, or if you guys also get Ipsy like what you got. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up for being always pretty quick and to the point. And don't forget to subscribe to be part of our future giveaways. We're doing another one at 200 subscribers. And tell your friends. See you in our next video.
Take care.
Bye.